This is the AOBEN 20V cordless ratchet wrench that the brand sent over to me so that I can show it to you and give you a quick demo so that you can decide if this is right for you or not. Let's jump into it. Let's start off with what you're gonna get. The wrench comes in this hard plastic case for transport and storage. When you open it up, you're gonna get a user manual, your wrench, charger, two 20V batteries, an extension, and some starter sockets. So guys, this here is really straightforward. It's a 3/8 inch ratchet. You've got your direction selector on the back here for forward and reverse. Simply twist it like any other ratchet. You got your trigger here. It does have a lockout feature on here, so you got this switch here that you can lock it out if you need to secure the trigger for whatever reason. The trigger speed is variable. It's a 400 RPM motor in here with 60 foot-pounds of torque, and it does respond to your to the amount of pressure you have on the trigger. It will determine the RPMs. You got two 20V batteries. You got a charger so you can be charging one while you're using one. This is great for your assemblers, especially like if you're a bike mechanic. This here is great for that. It does have some rubberized texture here for comfort and control when you're working with it. So guys, let's head over to a bike. I'm gonna take a couple bolts off just so you guys can see that 60 foot-pounds of torque in action. All right guys, so I got a bike flipped upside down here now. Let's get these bolts loosened. And if this tire wasn't captured by the brakes, I could take it off for you. So let's get them tightened back up now. Again, this here has 60 foot-pounds of torque. So you know when it stops is at 60 foot-pounds. So guys, if you're looking for a handy dandy cordless ratchet wrench for your house or around the shop, I highly recommend this AOBEN. Hope this helps.